Welcome back to Maintenance Made on a Budget. Today we're going to be repainting this refrigerator with appliance epoxy paint. I've used it for some countertops before, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like to do it on a refrigerator. So first and foremost, we're going to clean this thing. Warning, warning, warning. Pretty nasty. Works great. So what we're going to do is clean it up and put some epoxy paint on there, and we'll show you what it comes out to. All right, cleaned up pretty nice. Now it's time to do the outside. So we're going to go with appliance paint, appliance epoxy, rustoleum, and if you've seen any of my previous videos, I use that stuff on the kitchen counters and it works great. We're going to actually use it for its intended use, which is appliances, and we'll get started. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start applying it, and all you want to do is just make even strokes. I washed it off with the soap and water, bleach, with a brush. Got the best I could. Now we're just going to paint it right over everything. Do nice even coats.
I'm following your thing.
That's fine. Okay. So go ahead and get a shot of that. And then wrap around the front. Come around the front here. And we'll just put it right over the front. Keep the camera still.
Okay.
If you have to back up a little bit, you can back up, that's fine. I'll come back in with a brush and get the fine details around that. All right, so anyway, paint all around, let it dry, and do a second coat if you need it. And here we have the final project. Not too bad. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll keep making videos. Thanks, guys.